We're in Belle Fourche on the 4th of July. The parade's about to start, but we caught up with Keith Anderson, the Black Hills Roundup chairman. Boy, Keith, great rodeo so far.
Thank you. It's went well. Crowds have been good. Everybody's been polite and respectful, and everybody's just happy to have an event go on, move forward. And it's been quite a show. I mean, we've had the elite cowboys here in all events, and a lot of them. 2 slacks, day of steer roping. It's kind of been a marathon of rodeo, that's for sure.
Yeah, great competition. It's can't get much better than the Black Hills Roundup.
No, these are 2 biggest things that happened in South Dakota this week is Trump being here at Mount Rushmore and the Black Hills Roundup.
Yeah, Trump last night and then Black Hills Roundup all week.
Yep. Yeah, it's just thankful we got to have our event. I thank the governor and our mayor and city officials for helping us and being on our side and letting it happen.
Thanks, Keith.
Thank you.
We're in Belle Fourche on the 4th of July with Tim Johns. And Tim, got a big day today, the Black Hills Roundup Parade.
That's correct. I've been here quite a few years now, and it's always a big deal. Lots of kids. I've never seen so many children all my life all in one place.
Yeah, a lot of kids. A lot of horses.
That's right.
A lot of cowboys, a lot going on.
That's right. Yeah, it's really a good celebration. It's been here forever, and it's a good tradition to continue. It's one that brings families together. I know my wife is originally from here, and she always loves to come over here for the rodeo and seeing all the old friends.
Yep. Thanks, Tim.
You bet.
Right here.
We're with Belle Fourche Mayor Gloria Lanfear. Gloria, nice to have you on Black Hills TV. How are you enjoying the Black Hills Roundup so far this year?
Great. I think that the Black Hills Roundup Committee is doing a really great job. We have had a lot of challenges, of course, with all the COVID-19, but they have all of their procedures and policies in place to create as much safety as they possibly can.
Yeah. Congratulations on another great event this year.
I know. They do a great job. They are really masters of this event. And those are all volunteers, and they work so hard for our community.
Yeah. Thanks, Gloria.
You bet.
Because they moved us. We did nothing.
We're with Marlon Pomeranke, the Belle Fourche Chief of Police. And Marlon, boy, it must be a lot of planning for this year's parade, especially with a different route.
We plan for about 3 months. And then we also, at least for the police department, we work the whole year just for this weekend.
Oh, wow.
We have 11 officers, 1 office staff, and 1 code enforcement person. And then we work with reserve officers and get them trained up before the 4th of July, along with a cadet program. So you'll see some younger kids out there with a blue shirt, and it's our cadets. They'll help us with the parade. So we put a lot of effort into it year-round just so we have extra people for the parade.
Wow. Yep. Well, thanks a lot.
You bet. Thank you. Hope everybody has fun.
We're in Belle Fourche with Jim Myers. Jim, you and your wife are parade marshals for this year's Black Hills Roundup Parade. Congratulations.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah. What's it mean to you to be parade marshals for this year's Roundup?
Well, we have been here in Belle Fourche for 49 years, and I don't think we've ever missed a parade. So we've seen a lot of parade marshals, and I've always thought it was quite an honor to do that. And I'm really honored to be included in the people who have had that in the past.
Yeah. All right. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We're at the Black Hills Roundup Parade with Parade Chairman Mitch Johnson. And Mitch, the parade's just about ready to roll.
You got it. People are rolling in, finding their spot, getting set up.
Okay, I want to say thanks to Prisoners of Belle Fourche.
Absolutely. They have been such a big part of this parade for 25 years, and we could not do this parade without their support and without them helping us out. And I just can't say enough about Doug and Jared and sales, service staff at Earth Roots to help us out and make this parade happen.
It's a bigger parade every year. This is such a great event.
It is. It's just this premier event, I feel like, in the nation. So where else would you want to be on the 4th of July than in Belle Fourche?
That's right. Thanks, Mitch.
Thank you, guys. Enjoy the parade.
Need a water? picked.